Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
How to draw an apple, a step-by-step guide for kids. Apple has been a part of your child's diet since she was a baby. Now that your baby is old enough to relish slices of the fruit to her heart's content, let's use the fruit as a subject and teach your child how to draw an apple. What you will need to draw an apple: a drawing paper, red, green and brown paint or crayons or sketch pens, a black colored sketch pen, a pencil, an eraser, a circular lid 3 to 5 inch diameter or of your preferred size. Apple drawing for kids in 8 simple steps. Step 1. Draw a circle. Using a pencil, draw a circle with the help of the circular lid. We've given a size specification, but you can choose to draw your apple as big or small as you want. You can also go freehand with the circle. Step 2. Draw a wave in the top half part of the circle. Leave some distance from the top of the circle. Draw a wave-like pattern that dips in the center as shown in the figure. This dip or trough is where we will draw a stalk later. Let the ends of the wave overlap the circle on each side. It should look like a hairline on a face. Step 3. Draw a wave in the bottom of the circle. Draw another wave-like pattern at the bottom of the circle with its center raised, as shown in the figure. Once again, let the ends of the wave overlap with the sides of the circle. The bottom curve is where the stamen of the apple is located. Step 4. Draw a small curve under the top wave-like pattern. Just under the top wave pattern, draw a curve underneath the gentle trough, as shown in the figure. Step 5. Draw a stalk and a leaf. Draw 2 slightly curved lines projecting upward from the center of the small curve you've just drawn. Join the ends of these lines. It should look like a gently sloping elongated triangle. Now, draw a leaf from the left base of the stalk, as shown in the figure. An easy way to draw a leaf is to draw a line projecting outwards from the base of the stalk and then drawing an oval-shaped blade around it. Step 6. Draw the veins of the leaf. Now, on the leaf, draw slightly curved lines projecting out from the center line. These are the veins of the leaf. Step 7. Final touches. Now, erase off the unwanted lines and, with a black sketch pen, outline the apple. Step 8. Paint it red. Color the apple in a vibrant red color. Use green for the leaf and brown for the stalk. With this easy-to-draw apple guide, teach your preschooler how to draw an apple. Let your munchkin draw as many apples as they want and show them off to your friends and family.